Yeah, I brought that shit home, nigga. Alright, that's tight. Let's go ahead and fuck with this first verse, man. You can just paste that to the end. Okay, yeah. Let me get this talking shit. You know what I'm saying? Riding down Meridian with a fine thing. Right now I'm talking to you, but right now I'm in Chicago, you know what I'm saying? Chicago Ave. Chia. Surrounded by ball players and politicians. They all know me by my name. I'm greeted by the waiter. The issues, I'm trying to make it to the top level with the dauntless welcome. My life is full circle for the circle city of frauds. Got pride in me. Shit. What's your occupation? Street pharmacist on the track. I spit arsonists with articulate flows. Shit. Man, I was right there, my nigga. One more time. No. Keep that shit. That was right there. No, I'll tell them move it along. So cigars can be involved as I brainstorm. Our storm is coming, cause us is thinking. The enormous bitch niggas speaking. Dormant, we call fly pitches and resources. I make my way to the analyst that's in my section. I told them play some Marvin Gaye when Mouse is in your presence. I answer wait for recap. Check.
Good to go.
Hold up. Hey, does it matter? This door shut right here? And right with me? Does that matter? That door gotta be shut?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. My engineer, and I'm going for the top like I'm getting for the motherfucker. The DJs and shit, they specifically told me, said, hey man, I want that motherfucking, I want some 808s. I want that boom, I want that shit's gonna make these hoes dance and shit. I'm like,
this not club.
I'm like, man, I told motherfuckers,
it's clearly you got a style, you know what I'm saying? Cause like all of this stuff like is in a certain vein, you know what I'm saying? So like,
you know what I'm saying? But I'm like, bro, man, I can't please y'all, man.
You can only do all that you can do.
Yeah, I can't do a Wayne record. I'm not gonna get on there and say some crazy shit. I'm just gonna make some jams, bro. That shit.
Make that groovy music.
Yeah, man.
That's what Ross did. Ross did it.
Yeah.
He had his few records. He had his couple joints. You know what I'm saying?
Wanna keep on sleeping, put us off for a reason for me to be way past what I'm already seeing. I just keep achieving and take it to the uptown, baby. I get down, baby. Keep achieving and take it to the uptown, baby. I get down, baby. See y'all. Already seeing, I just keep achieving and take it to the uptown, baby. I get down, baby. See y'all. Stay consistent.
You gotta grind.
Yeah, stay consistent.
But one thing I noticed about them is like they do music that they like they don't listen to the radio.
Yeah,
like,
fuck that shit. That's what I'm saying, man. Fuck all that shit.
DJ, they don't talk to nobody. They just do music that they rock with and do great shows.
Yeah, that's it.
People that rock with them. People that don't. Like.
And that's why we chatter. All about that shit. Oh, y'all get no seesaw fries in your shit?
On where?
On your fries.
Where?
For White Castles.
Oh, I don't eat White Castles.
Oh, okay,
That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know.
Okay.
I'm like, what you talking about? Where? What you talking about? McDonald's? You talking about Burger King? You talking about?
Nah, McDonald's.
We got it here? Like, I don't know.
No, I know y'all get seesaw fries though. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't never.
Nah, you ain't never fucking that shit?
I ain't never heard of this seasaw. Not in no fast food spot like a Red Robin or Ruby Tuesdays or something. They'll do that. Nah. But not no McDonald's. Like, wait a minute.
That's all chrome?
It's a AMG, Benz AMG.
No, I'm talking about that's all chrome though, the body though.
Oh, it looked like like a satin silver or something like that. No, because BMW had a concept car like this, and it kind of looked like that, and it was called Gina. They called it Gina, but it wasn't like this. It wasn't no doors. It was, and like all of it was was like skin. It wasn't metal. It was like mesh. And so like the eyes, you don't drive this, bro. Like, first of all, look at the rims. Yeah. You hit a pebble.
Yeah, it's over.
It's a wrap, bro.
It's over.
Look how low it is. Like,
damn, you might as well get you a Ferrari.
Right.
At least you can drive a Ferrari. You can't drive this motherfucker. Nah, hell no, you can't drive this. Man.
I don't know. Maybe I don't know enough about cars, but like I look at
that. Nah, bro. I mean, like, look how fucking low this is. Like, it's like Ocean Drive and Rodeo Drive.
Yeah.
That's it. This can't even be.
That's what I think it's called. Rodeo Drive. That's the page. Yeah, Rodeo and Fifth.
No shit.
That's the name of the Instagram.
That's it, bro. Rodeo or Ocean. That's strictly Miami and fucking LA, bro. Now driving that to LA, I might have to disagree with you though. I might have to be like, when you be like, yeah, bro, we can't drive this. I'm like, nigga, we in LA.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's stupid, man.
And this is the thing.